The Community Builder Honor is awarded each year to a company or corporation headquartered here in the Willmar area that has really made a significant investment, both in personnel, but also in financial resources to grow and expand the capacity of Kandiyohi County. In 2015, the Willmar Area Community Foundation is very pleased to award the Community Builder Honor to affiliated community medical centers for their outstanding efforts in volunteerism, in local investments, and in charitable giving that improve the quality of life for all of us.
Well, ACMC started back in 1971, the merger of two clinics, the Lakeland Clinic and the Willmar Clinic. And they called themselves innovatively the Willmar Medical Center. And later we changed the name to Affiliated Community Medical Centers to accommodate the fact that we have 11 different sites, and so that it was more of an affiliated medical center. Our philosophy is that it's a very high priority for our physicians, for our medical staff, to give back to the community and to be involved both in volunteerism, in gifting, and use of their talents in many ways. An example of this would be the YMCA. Several of our physicians were in the founding group that put this together. They're active in the board now. Many of the physicians and the staff members have been active in the board. We continue to give to the Y Partners program and are involved in gifting both corporately and I think individually by the physicians and the staff. We're gifting for the YMCA. So I think that's an example of us giving back to the community both in leadership and gifting of monies. Well, there actually are two other projects that are kind of favorites of mine. I think recently the Barn Theater needed to have a major renovation. And I think it's important not only the healthcare of the community, but the arts are important. And I think it helps the whole community, it draws in people. It's important from my business sense to have new recruits come in and see an active arts community. So we supported that. And another example would be our Reach Out to Read program. It's something that maybe many people don't know about. But Reach Out to Read through our private foundation is funded to give books to children between age 6 months and 5 years. We purchase and give out 10,000 books every year, and we've done this since 2004. Each health care visit that they have, the Well Baby Checks, a book is given, and this can be culturally sensitive books, books written in Spanish and other languages. It's a real highlight of the visit for the children, and it's an opportunity to teach basic health maintenance to the mothers and also to really emphasize the importance of reading to the children. So, I wanted to tell a little bit about our scholarship program. I think it's been over 10 years, and we've tried to target students from our area, from our 11 clinic area, and they qualify in areas that are in health care. We've tried to offer scholarships. Our medical student scholarship has been up to 40 medical students from our area have been receiving yearly stipends for 4 years during medical school. But in addition, we have MA scholarships through Ridgewater, and most of our scholarships are through Ridgewater College. The MA students, LPN students, coding specialists, lab tech specialists, actually through the Alexandria School, and ultrasound techs through a school in St. Cloud. We feel it's important to give scholarships to have a workforce that's coming from our area and that will stay in our area. The vision that ACMC has for itself and for the community is that we're going to remain a multi-specialty group giving health care to the community. We see that investment into the community is going to help it grow. I think there's a lot of changes coming, both in health care, but also in the financial strains for the community. And I think that we feel that both in leadership And also in gifting, we can be helpful to make this community a strong community for the future. As far as encouraging other companies, other businesses within our community to be part of the gifting program, to give their talents back to the community, we feel that we can lead by example. I think many people look to the large organizations, the larger employers of the area, and see what they're going to do first. And when we can lead by example, and also give our employees and our physicians an opportunity to go out in the community, and not only an encouragement, but the opportunity to serve on boards and be actively involved. We plan on being a leader in the community in the future. I think it's a great honor to receive this award. I think it is both a validation of our work and our philosophy, and it also is an encouragement for the future for not only all of our staff. I especially want to encourage and validate the philosophy for our young staff so that they may continue on in the future, sort of a legacy of the future. So I think it's a great honor. I think we feel that by giving, we're also receiving so much more.